Well, hello there, my friend. My name is Jean-Serge from Success with JS, and welcome to Online Biz Builder. As this is episode number 12, and we're going to be talking about the 7 secrets of online top earners. And tonight we're talking about secret number 2, and we're going to talk about how that is something that you need to be doing if you want to have the results of online business and of online, or top earners. You need to be doing whatever the top earners are doing, obviously, right? So you know this already. You're in a home-based business probably, and you know that to succeed online, to succeed in anything really, you should be listening to those who have success. Now, I'm not saying I'm an expert. I'm not saying I'm making millions. I'm not saying anything like that. All I'm saying is I've got some knowledge that maybe you don't have, and I'm here to share it with you and tell you about these secrets. Now, I know that you're wondering what that secret is, and I'll tell you very shortly. So so one of the things I want you to understand is that Online Biz Builder is a series that I've been doing for a while. I've been trying to do it every day, but it doesn't always work. I'm trying to do it at the same time, and it's live videos on Facebook, right? So it's kind of hard to be there every single day at 8, especially with my job. But I'm trying to do that, but I don't think I can. So I'm gonna have to do different schedule, and what I'm thinking is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So that'd be every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 p.m. and I would have the Online Biz Builder, and that would be most times. There's still going to be some exceptions probably, and if I can do something on a Thursday or on a Saturday, Sunday, whatever else, I'll probably still do one, but it won't be like officially scheduled, right? So that's the Online Biz Builder, and again, like I said, my name is Jean-Serge from Success with JS, and the topic tonight is the top earners, the 7 secrets of top earners, top online earners specifically, right? So one of the things that top earners do, like yesterday we talked about secret number 1, which is all about branding yourself. So if you want to learn about branding yourself, go watch my video from last night, or not last night, it was actually 2 nights ago, but it's in my timeline there. And if you're not sure, just go ahead and message me, and I'll send you the link. So that one talks about, it talks about how you have to brand yourself. And branding yourself is all about, being yourself and going out there and being somebody that is unique, because we all are unique, and just going out there and showing that, and, posting content, creating blog posts, having your own blog. I talked about all that. I showed you some of the tools I use and everything in that. Anyways, that's in that video. And tonight we're going to talk, okay, here it is, secret number 2. What is secret number 2? Secret number 2 of top earners is they create their own offers. So you need to be able to create your own offers. If you want to be a top earner online, you create your own offers. By creating your own offers, you can show up online as a unique person, as a unique individual. You're not just putting links from other things, or if you're thinking, for example, one of the things that some people do is online, what's it called, I've got a brain, blanc, we say in French is a blanc, which is a white, which means you've got an empty brain. And the word is affiliate. Sometimes we hear about affiliates. So just say, for example, Amazon. You can actually get an affiliate account on Amazon, which just means that you get these special links for every single product, for any product that you want to promote. You get a link for that, and then you can put that on a website or anything like that. That's called an affiliate link, and they'll give you a little percentage, like 5 or 10% of the sale of, say, a book or a DVD or anything they sell, right? And the thing with that is that it's not you. It's Amazon. It's still just Amazon. It's a link to an Amazon website, a link to an Amazon product or a product they sell, and that's not you. But what you need to be able to do is make your own offers that you control. Sure, it could still be Amazon products, but it would be you presenting that Amazon product the way you want to. And this is what I'm going to show you tonight. I'm going to show you how to do that yourself, the tools I use, and how easy it is to create your own offers for anything. If you're selling, wicker baskets, or if you're a puppy lover and you have, puppy outfits or whatever, and you're selling that stuff, you can create your own capture pages, offer pages, and all that all yourself to sell these things. And if you're in a home-based business, you can create your own offers to talk about your opportunity or talk about your products. You can do all that online, and just like the top earners do. So let's go take a look at. Sorry. Here's the system I use. Right. Let me see. There you go. Let's get that. Okay. All right. So in this system, we have a product called the Funnelizer. So I just go to the site, and then I go down here, and of course you have a your own account on there and everything else. But this is the Funnelizer. The Funnelizer basically lets you set up different, what we call funnels, or if you look online, that's what they call them. The funnels are basically, you can have one page that takes your customer or your prospect to another page. You can have multiple pages. You can have just one page, and then a thank you page, for example, right? That's kind of what a funnel is. And if we look at, say, for example, one of the ones I created here, this here, you can see that it's basically a page where I have a video that starts playing over here. All right, and I just have some text here, and I have a picture of myself right here, and they can put their name and email to get whatever I'm offering here, right? And you can create your own funnels whichever way you want. So let's just create one to show you how that works. So first of all, I have to give it a name. So I say, Biz Builder Demo, and we're going to call it Biz BLD1. All right. So this is, anyways, that's not really important, but this is what they call the slug, which is just a unique name, and this is actually a text. You can put spaces and everything you want. The slug, you're not allowed spaces and things like that. All right, so now if I create the funnel, then it takes me to a page where it asks me, what do I want to use as a template? So as you can see, there's a ton of templates you can use for different things. For example, this template here is basically a very simple template with a background image. By the way, you can change this background image to whatever you want. You can change this text to whatever you want. And it's as simple as that. I'll show you how, maybe we can choose one of those, but there's more complicated ones. This one's a video one I like using a lot. I'm sorry, because I use videos a lot in my funnels. And then there's some more complicated ones like this, for example. Let's just show you. Oops, no, that's not what I wanted to do. No, I wanted to preview it. Yeah, I guess we can show you another one. So there's some longer ones like this one, and all this you can of course change the text. And you can have things like countdown timers on here that show you when that expires, and it's quite complete what you can do with this. And here, let's just take let's take this one here, simple opt-in. We're going to go use template, and then we say, and then right, I have to say name here. Let's just call it opt-in, and we'll say opt-in as the slug. Just save page and edit. So it's pretty simple. As I said, you can go in here and you can click on anything that's here, like even this. See, you can change the name, the text here. Give me access, right? You can change the text that's there, whatever you want. You can change any of this. This is just text that you can, write. You can change whatever you want. And then the image over here, I can change the image if I want. Oh, actually, this one doesn't let you, but some of them let you change the image. Most of them I thought did. I thought this one did, but you can hide the image. Oh, I'm not looking at the right thing. That's why. There you go. Background image. There it is. Ah, there you go. Okay, change the image. See, I can go change the image to anything I want. I can put, say this. There you go. Now I've got this, the background image, right? Now, of course, the content that goes there you can upload to the site. You can put whatever images you want, pictures you took, royalty free obviously. If you want to go get them online, you make sure they're royalty free. You change this copyright here to 2017 for example, right? And you can even change whether whether I ask for the name or not. Let's take the name out of there. We just want to ask for the email, right? So now it just shows the email address. Now this is something that took me 5 minutes. So I saved the changes, and now there's other things that need to be done. There's an integration, but that's pretty simple. Let's just show you integration. I just say I want to integrate with my Aweber, and then I want to put it in my introduction, and I say add integration, and then I close it. And now whenever somebody puts an email in there, it'll go to my Aweber in my introduction email list. So I can just save this, and I can publish it, and then I close the editor, and I start the variation. These are just terms, this is just, and then publish the funnel. So now if I go to this get the URL, I just want to go to this page here. If I open up a new tab and go there, this is the page I got. So I created my own opt-in funnel here. Now this could be anything you want. You could be offering a product, you could be offering anything, you could be, like I said, you could be putting a video, you could be doing anything you want. It's really just whatever you want to be doing, right? So I mean, the possibilities are endless, and that's the thing. You have to realize, you have to think about, geez, what can I do with this? I can offer anything. I can just have people get to know me. I can have all these things that I do online. I can make them personalized based on what I like, the colors I like, you can do all that really easy. As you said, it was really quick. You don't need to know HTML, you don't need to know any coding, you don't need to know anything. You can just click and change things, right? It's very simple. And that's what top earners do. They use their own capture pages, their own offers. They build their own offers, and this is one of the things that's so important. If you want to be a top earner, you have to be doing your own offers. This is one of the things. So, and this is one of the tools that's really easy. So now if you thought this was interesting and you'd like to learn more about this, there's actually something I can't believe I just found out. I just found out today that there's this amazing free masterclass happening next week. It's happening next Wednesday night at 9 p.m. and it's open for registration now, and there's going to be a lot of people on this because basically they talk about how to personally sponsor 106 new reps and acquire 452 new customers with a simple social media method. Now, if you're interested in that, you just got to go to this website here and go register, and you're going to find out about the social media sponsoring method that she used. This is from a host the host is called Lisa Torres. She's a 8-figure earner, I believe, and maybe not. Maybe she's a 7-figure earner, or maybe even 6. If she's just a 6-figure earner, that's awful, isn't it? Right? She's only making 6 figures online. That's terrible. But in any case, she's done this. She's done getting 106 new reps, right, in that amount of time, and she's been able to do it and show us exactly. She's going to show me, and she can show you as well, exactly how to do it. And this is totally free. All you got to do is go to that website right there, that website that's right there, and go enter your email, your name and email in there, and get on there, and don't miss it. Just don't miss it, and put it in your calendar, everything, right? It's really worth it. And this is a 6-figure earner. There you go, 6-figure earner. And if you're not serious, if you are a serious network marketer who's run out of people to talk to, or you want to sponsor more reps online, for free, then this is for you. Just go to that link. Go to that link right now, and go paste it in your browser. Go to that link and enter your name and email now. Here, let me show you what it looks like. I'm just going to go there right now. Oh, here. Let's go back over here. Let's go to weekly webinar. www.successwithjs.com. Now you go and do that right now, and this is where it takes you. It takes you to this page where you can actually register. Actually, it's just oh, look at that. There you go. It takes you to that page where you can register, and it shows you there's 5 days. It's in 5 days. It's you know, it's a time. There's a countdown going on. It shows you a little bit about what it is, and that's it. So make sure you go to that link right now. Anyways, I don't want to be like annoying or anything, but this is so big. It's amazing. It's massive. We have trainings like this regularly, but nothing like this particular training. This is gonna be worth it. Just make sure you go to that and register, and we'll see you on the other side.